Hey guys, my name is Vivek and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make two-way verification in your Facebook account. What do you mean by two-way verification? Two-way verification means the one method, okay? If you have give somebody your Facebook account, then he or she can only connect your account with your permission. That process is known as two-side two-way verification. I am gonna show you how to make that, so that guys the video is knowledgeable and interesting. Like this video if you haven't liked this video yet, and then guys if you are new in this channel, then subscribe our channel and press notification bell to never miss an update from our channel. Let's start the video guys. First of all guys, you should have to open your Facebook account. Okay, I have opened my Facebook account. Then guys, after you have opened your Facebook account, then guys you have to go on your settings. Okay, go to your settings. I am going in setting, and then guys there is one option known as security and login. Just press here, security and login. Okay, security and login, and then guys please scroll down and there is one option, use two-factor authentication. Just press on here, edit. Okay, just press here, edit on two, and then guys after that you should have there one option, select a security mode, authentication app, um or you want to make text messages. Okay, what do you want to do? I think text message is easier, quite easier than that, so that guys I use this. Okay, and then guys there is processing, and then guys you just have to mm, enter your number, and I have already entered my number, and then just press on here continue. Okay, I have pressed on continue, and then guys this have send. I am looking. Wait for just a minute guys, here comes one message. mm, mm, I have input, and then guys just press on continue. Okay, just press on, if you have pressed on continue, then guys two-factor authentication is on. This is done guys. Just press on done, and from now guys if anybody logins your account in PC or mobile, then he should need permission of yours. Then guys this much for today. If you like this video, then like this video and subscribe our channel if you are new in this channel, and don't forget to press notification bell. This much for today. Meet you in next video. Bye.